At Dhanvanthri Engineers, we understand client challenges and delivers tailored solutions for specialized material handling, where precision, durability, and uninterrupted performance are critical. Our expert team designs customized systems that streamline workflow, reduce manual effort, and maximize productivity. From raw material intake to final dispatch, we provide complete, precision-engineered material handling solutions powered by advanced technology. Once unloaded, the materials are transferred through conveyor systems that move them seamlessly across the facility. These conveyors provide controlled and reliable movement, reducing manual handling and improving operational efficiency. During production, materials and components move through multiple stages of processing. For multi-level industrial facilities, vertical transportation becomes essential. Our vertical reciprocating conveyors and lifting systems allow materials to move safely between different floors, ensuring uninterrupted workflow across the entire plant. As production nears completion, end-of-line material handling solutions prepare products for packaging and dispatch. Packing conveyors and automated roller systems streamline packaging operations while maintaining consistent product flow. Products are then transferred through automated conveyor systems for inspection, sorting, and handling. Finally, loading conveyors and automated transfer systems enable fast and efficient truck loading, minimizing downtime and ensuring smooth dispatch operations. Dhanvanthri Engineers delivers reliable, innovative, and efficient bulk material handling solutions tailored to modern industrial needs. From concept to automation, we don't just move materials, we guarantee performance you can trust every time.
Ready to bring this level of performance to your next project? Let's discuss how we can customize a winning solution for you. Visit our website to know more about us and call us for any engineering solutions.